is hard, sometimes cruel, what to do. Toughen up, you know you should, but how to?
Captain Amy Fang, exfil pilot. I've been asked to recount the events of our initial encounter in the exclusion zone. And since it's either this or a failed psych eval, I guess it's more of an order than an ask. But then again, what do I know? After Sakaev turned Urzikstan into an utter hellscape, Gibbs, Jackson, and Spaulding were sent to locate survivors. It was a standard CASEVAC, something I've done 100 times over. Yeah. No. We get to the site, and it's completely deserted. No ground team to meet us, no locals, just a fucking ghost town. And that's when Gibbs spotted them. We were so relieved to find survivors that we didn't notice how many there were, how erratic their movement was, so that they'd surrounded the helo. Within seconds, they were sprinting toward us, and every molecule in my body was screaming to run. Gibbs and Jackson piled in just as I was taking off. Spaulding was on the ladder. This howling mountain of dead flesh. It's a wonder we could hear his screams at all. I had to keep flying. I had to keep the chopper in the air, or none of us were going to make it. By the time we landed, the only thing left of Spaulding were his arms, still dangling from the ladder. Roops, Sergeant Kapoor, told me they had to break his fingers to get them off.
Charlie Alpha 1-2. We're under attack by some crazed, deformed assailants. We lost Hertz to one of them. Charlie Alpha 1-2. They're all dead. Only they're not dead. Oh God. Charlie Alpha 1-2 here. Hertz, he was dead. We were sure he was dead. But he got up. He killed Santos and Kearney before we could take him down. Headshots seem to be the one sure way.
Captain Dobbs, submitting a live report on Deadbolt drone, maiden recon flight over easy. Oh, wow. The terrain is dotted with, purple rocks. Emitting light? Oh man, Brewer's gonna be all over those. It looks like I'm passing over a herd of wildlife of some kind, zooming. Well, that looks like survivors down there. No. Hold on one sec. I'm making another pass. No, something's not right here. Repositioning. Reposition. malfunctioning. No, they're not moving right. Staggering. Holy fuck. No, they look decomposed. Command, look. Please don't jag me for what I'm saying. I'm not making this shit up. Something else on the move. It looks like animals. Animals might not be the word. What the hell is that? The ground is... It's heaving. There's some kind of... Whatever that is fucking massive. At this point, I'm recommending a very dense surveillance schedule. Radar's picking up a lot of unknowns down there, waiting for our ground teams. I'm RTV, and someone's got to debrief me on whatever the fuck it was I just saw. Dobbs out.
Dios mío, I don't know what's happening. I just got back from the field, and I was told I should make a record while everything is still fresh. There has been so many losses. I don't even like that word, losses. It's not adequate. People died. They are gone. I don't like grouping them together like a statistic. I keep getting pushed to step outside my expertise to influence decisions. It doesn't feel ethical. They cannot even distinguish one scientist from another. And when I came here, I was so excited. I forgot about the military side. They need me, but most of them do not understand me. And I know better. And still, I couldn't stop myself. The discoveries I have made here have so much potential to make the world better. But of course, all they talk about is weapons. Ethereum is consuming my life. And I won't be able to talk about it with anyone, except for the people here. I wanted so much to see what no one had seen. Now I wonder if it was